Have you ever wondered why giants like Amazon trust Stripe for millions of transactions every day? Today, we're breaking down Stripe in 2025 and finding out if it's truly worth it for your business. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly what makes Stripe powerful and where it might let you down. Stripe is more than just a payment processor. It's a platform that helps businesses accept online payments, handle subscriptions, manage invoices, and even process multiple currencies seamlessly. Big companies use it because it scales effortlessly, supports complex payment flows, and integrates with countless platforms. But the question is, does it work for smaller businesses or startups too? Let's start with what Stripe does exceptionally well. First, its pricing is transparent. For most transactions, you pay a small percentage plus a fixed fee, no hidden monthly charges for basic use. Second, it supports global payments and multiple methods from credit cards to digital wallets. If your audience is international, Stripe has you covered. Third, developers love it. Its API is flexible, well-documented, and allows you to customize checkout flows, automate recurring payments, and even add fraud prevention features. Fourth, for subscription-based businesses, Stripe billing simplifies recurring invoices and retries for failed payments, making revenue more predictable. And finally, its reliability and scalability are why top companies trust it with huge volumes of transactions. But Stripe isn't perfect. Setting it up can be tricky if you lack technical expertise. International transactions may incur extra fees, and handling disputes or chargebacks can be frustrating. Smaller businesses may find its dashboard complex or feel overwhelmed by the advanced features. And in some cases, Stripe can hold funds or freeze accounts if it flags high-risk transactions. So who should use Stripe? If you run an e-commerce store, SaaS, marketplace, or subscription service, especially with international customers, Stripe is an excellent choice. It's also ideal if you have access to developers who can customize the platform to your needs. On the other hand, if you're a sole proprietor, sell mostly offline, or have very simple payment needs, other options might be cheaper or easier. In short, Stripe remains one of the most powerful payment platforms in 2025. Its flexibility, reliability, and global reach make it perfect for growing businesses and large-scale operations. But it does require some technical know-how and awareness of extra fees. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an honest breakdown of tools that can grow your business. Leave a comment with your experience using Stripe, or if you're considering it for your own business, we'd love to hear from you.